Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy treat to make. It's a no-bake treat. They're just bananas dipped in chocolate and then you freeze them, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Ayy. Alrighty friends, so you will need some bananas, some chocolate chips, and coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you're more than welcome to use vegetable oil as well. And you'll also need a lined baking pan. You should probably line it with some parchment paper. Okay, first things first, you'll want to slice up your bananas. Okay, so here are my slices. Next, you will want about a half cup of chocolate chips. Okay, then you'll want 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or your vegetable oil. Okay, and then you will want to heat that up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, probably want to just pop that back in for like 10 more seconds because you don't want to burn the chocolate or anything. All right, after 10 seconds. Okay, y'all, I actually put that back in the microwave for another 10 seconds. So total time in the microwave was about 50 seconds. So it's all nice and liquidy now. All right, and now you will want to just dip your bananas in. Okay, so you coat one. And you'll just plop them on there. Okay, now do that with the rest of your bananas. Okie doke, y'all. Final product. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the freezer for maybe 10 minutes and then I'll check back. All right, so after 10 minutes, they're ready. All right, y'all, and there you have it. Some frozen chocolate bananas. Literally took maybe 15 minutes, if that. Let me know down below if this is something you're gonna try. Till next time. Hooray!